Through this presentation, we would like to show you our system's key figures so as to allow you to understand all of its potential. Warm pools' first advantage is certainly given by the dramatic economic savings, both for what concerns indoor and outdoor pools. Our technology is covered by international patents. In traditional pools, the water mainly loses its warmth through evaporation, whereas our swimming pool covers preserve the energy and thus allow impressive economic and environmental savings. This chart shows the theoretical 24-hour consumption and all the costs borne for a swimming pool with or without our system. Both for what indoor and outdoor pools are concerned, 90% of thermal dispersion is caused by the water surface. Our system allows you to save these calories instead of integrating them and thus prevent useless energy consumption. Also for pools which are open 8 to 10 hours a day all year through, our watertight closure guarantees exponential energy savings. The other main advantages include a walkable surface, security, eco-sustainability, functionality, and an extremely elegant design. Warm Pool's walkable surface solves your problems related to space. In a private garden, you recover vital space, whereas public entities or hotels can take advantage of this surface to improve their services by, for example, offering dancing lessons or yoga lessons or other types of courses. Every country has a different legislation. For example, as of 2003 in Italy, the competence pertains to the regions. Half of them has already issued specific provisions involving swimming pools, whereas as of 2006 in France, all of the existing private and public swimming pools have to at least have a security system, such as fencing and/or hard covers. The other European countries have no or extremely poor regulations, but they do continuously implement awareness campaigns related to security within and around swimming pools. Eco-sustainability is without any doubt whatsoever the first economic goal of public and private swimming pool owners. For instance, to maintain an indoor swimming pool's constant temperature at, say, 27 degrees centigrade, one shall spend approximately Eco-sustainability is without any doubt whatsoever the first economic goal of public and private swimming pool owners. For instance, to maintain an indoor swimming pool's constant temperature at, say, 27 degrees centigrade, one shall spend approximately €250,000 a year. In some countries, like the UK, this goal is mandatorily imposed by the government, where the thermal transmittance coefficient is 0.25. This being an EU regulation, all countries could eventually implement it. As far as water consumption and chemical products are concerned, warm pools covers prevent the growth of all algae and microorganisms by avoiding the water to enter in contact with dust, sand, insects, and all other external impurities, and even prevent the filtering of light. Bottom line, the better the organoleptic characteristics are preserved, the less water treatments shall have to be performed. Our covers are fitted with electromechanical movement systems. That means they're automatically open and closed without any need of preparatory operations. Warm pool systems means safety, protection, and aesthetics, and it solves one of the major problems hotels have to face as their outdoor aesthetics is ruined by the classic mesh covers and hard covers. The covers are automatic and fitted with electronic movement devices. The cover moves over the water in various manners. The most functional movement system is designed according to the pool's shape, the aesthetic needs, and any obstacles close by, as well as all other requested technical details. We offer lateral, vertical, and rollaway covers. Moreover, STEP's technical office is also available to design tailor-made mechanical movement systems. The laterally sliding cover is made of one or more panels moving on guides so as to allow you to hermetically close the pool when you're not using it. When the swimming pool is open, the cover is entirely positioned on the side and mostly used as a sun deck. The rollaway cover is definitely the most requested cover due to its low environmental impact. The panels it is made of roll into a lateral basin and are thus no longer visible when the pool is being used. Also in this case, the opening and closing systems are automatic and just take a few minutes. The vertically lifting swimming pool covers can be flat or rounded. The cover is lifted vertically on pillars which can either remain visible when the swimming pool is shut or be withdrawn into specific slots. This solution is perfect for public swimming pools as it not only is cheaper but also because it is the best solution for large swimming pools. Moreover, in case of covered swimming pools, the environmental impact is close to zero. The pillars can be located into the angles of the building, and when the swimming pool is kept open, the cover is positioned against the roof and thus practically invisible. As you can see from the slide, a traditional swimming pool is used approximately 90 days a year. Our system, on the other hand, will allow you to use a swimming pool all through the year. During the summer months, you will have a swimming pool with fresh water, and during the remaining months, you will have a thermal pool. Public swimming pool managers. The yearly costs linked to warming the water of the swimming pools are so high, i.e. several hundreds of thousands of euros, that the costs borne to install our warm pool system shall be amortized within more or less 1 year. And last but not least, our system also complies with the energetic parameters provided for by the most recent regulations. Health spas. In swimming pools fitted with warm water sources, the flow rate and the temperature of the water are not always high enough to guarantee a sufficiently high temperature in the pool. Furthermore, in order not to alter its therapeutic properties, thermal water cannot be heated for more than 7 hours. Thus, the best solution for these kind of entities is to preserve the original calories. Hotels, watering places, wellness centers. There is an always growing demand for warm pools by the so-called wellness tourism. The warm pool system also solves the problems linked to aesthetics for the protection of the pool and the security guidelines provided for by numerous government and regional laws. Private entities being able to use the swimming pool even in the colder months of the year is one of the benefits owners of the private swimming pools wish to take advantage of. Moreover, our experience has also shown us that private owners are extremely interested in the walkable surface of the swimming pool covers, so as to recover precious space during the winter period when the pool remains unused. "30% of the swimming pools is based in France, which is thus the first among the European markets and the second among the global markets behind the United States. France and Spain together amount to over 50% of the total number of swimming pools. 1,400,000 swimming pools in France have to install security systems. 230,000 swimming pools in the UK have to comply with strict energetic parameters. Another 3 million swimming pools in Europe might soon have to comply with the same regulations. As declared by many administrators and mayors in the US in 2008, a lot of swimming pools were closed because of the high maintenance costs. This problem can certainly be solved by taking advantage of our warm pool systems. It is difficult to make an estimate of how many swimming pools there are in colder countries, but one thing is clear. In those countries, the water in the swimming pool has to be warm, because in most of these countries there is a tradition of using thermal pools during the winter period. Our warm pool systems guarantee an efficient and cheap warm water pool which is affordable for everybody. We hope you enjoyed our short presentation, but please feel free to contact us for any further or more detailed information.